A pleasant day, everyone. I am Chillet G. Credo, a faculty of National University Clark, and the title of my study is Assessment of the Scientific Research Skills of the STEM Students, Inputs for a Capacity Enhancement Program. Research is vital to the success of every nation. It serves as a driving force in the economic and social growth of countries, acting as a catalyst in solving global issues and in improving the quality of life of every individual. There is no doubt about the importance of research, and in particular, scientific research is beneficial in the different fields of specialization. It is a way of finding solutions to existing problems and in improving processes. The discovery of various medications and vaccinations that have saved millions of lives have emerged with the help of extensive and valuable scientific studies. The processes involved in conducting science research is extensive. Various sources reflect the challenges faced by researchers in conducting a study. The different studies that reflect the difficulties of the students can serve as basis why is it important to explore and find ways in helping young researchers to overcome difficulties involved in a research journey. According to Raouf et al. In 2013, science process skills serve as scaffold toward other cognitive skills that include logical thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. Hence, the assessment of the research skills possessed by the young researchers is crucial to determine the weaknesses of students in crafting study. Proper guidance can also be provided through the assessment of scientific research skills. Identifying the skills that least mastered by the students can serve as a gauge for enhancing the necessary science research skills and to improve research output. Here are the statement of the problem. Number one, how may the level of science process skills of the students be described in terms of the following? Basic process skills and integrated science process skills. For SOP number two, how may the science research skills of the students be described in terms of the following? Experimental research skills, communication skills, inference skills, moral and ethical skills, and skills in writing the scientific paper. SOP number three, is there a significant difference in the public and private senior high schools in terms of the level of science process skills and the level of science research skills? SOP number four, is there a significant relationship between science process skills and the science research skills of the students? SOP number five, what are the perceptions of the senior high school students in terms of the following? The value of possessing research skills, the challenges in development of the least developed process skills and research skills, opportunities given in the enhancement of mastery skills, and needed input in dealing with the least learned skills and competencies. SOP number six, what activities are to be included in the capacity enhancement program that will cater the least mastered competency of the students? Now let us proceed to the methodology of the study. For the research design, the study employed mixed method research design. So specifically, the study will employ both quantitative and qualitative research design. The mixed method that was used is the sequential explanatory design, in which the quantitative data will be obtained first, then this will be followed by the gathering of the qualitative data. For the research instrument, three types of questionnaires were implemented in the study. The first one is a science process skills test questionnaire, which was adopted from a study conducted by Santos in 2018. Another one is the self-constructed scientific research questionnaire. And the third one is the interview guide questionnaire. So this was implemented to gather the qualitative data needed in the study and to enrich the quantitative data gathered in the study. For the conclusion, number one, students from public and private schools have very high level of basic process skills and moderate level of integrated science process skill. According to different sources, the basic science process skill is easier to develop compared to the integrated science process skill. And it can be seen that both students in public and private senior high school has moderate level of integrated science process skills. Hence, it is very crucial to implement plan or processes to enhance the integrated science process skills of the student. Conclusion number two, students were found to be slightly capable in terms of their experimental research skills. For number three, there is significant difference on the level of basic and integrated process skills of the students from public and private senior high school. Data suggests that the students in public schools perform better compared to the students in private senior high school. Number four, the study revealed that significant relationship exists between the science process skills and scientific research skills of the student. This conclusion had proved the importance of possessing science process skills in crafting scientific research. Number five, the results of the study serves as basis for crafting of a capacity enhancement program. So this capacity enhancement program targeted the underdeveloped scientific research skills of the students. For the recommendations, number one, inquiry-based activities may be incorporated in science subjects to capacitate the students. Various studies suggest that inquiry-based activities are actually can actually help in the enhancement of the different science process skills of the students. For number two, the public and private institution may implement the program guide included in the study. Then number three, the private institution may perform benchmarking in the implementation of science fair and research festival to enrich the research journey of the students. It was indicated by the students in public senior high school that science fair and research festival had enriched their research journey. And for recommendation number four, future researcher may focus on the evaluation of the effectiveness of the capacity enhancement program and in finding other ways to have better research output. This is the capacity enhancement plan or sample of the capacity enhancement plan included in the study. So there are focus area, and the focus area are the least mastered science process skills of the students. And the objective was indicated, and strategic action were included as well, starting from the low level enhancement up to the high level of enhancement. Estimated time, persons involved, and evidence of completion were also included in the capacity enhancement program. Here are the references, and thank you very much for listening and have a great day ahead.